tutorial master, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a banana milkshake. So what you're going to do to start it out is you're just going to press down on your banana, make it nice and soft. Mine's pretty soft already, as you can tell. Yeah, you know. So after that step's done, what you're going to do is you're just going to stroke it. So until it just, oh. So now you got your banana. Oh yeah, by the way, we got my good friend Pear. Yo, what's up, Pear? How's it going? So yeah, right, we're just getting the banana up in here. It's pretty good. So now that you got your banana out and it's all soft and gooey goo, we don't need that anymore. So you're just gonna, alright, so you're just gonna kind of make it into a shape, like a shape. Alright, that's pretty good. Hey, Pear, want some banana shake, mate? Oh, I think he likes it. Yeah, I think he likes it personally. I mean, let's hear what he has to say. Wait, that's not the one. Oh, it's so funny. Alright, here we go. Let's listen to another one.
Yep, here's my name. Don't wear it out.
That wasn't very funny, Pear. What are you gonna say next, huh?
You don't look so good.
You know what? You don't look so good. Stupid jerk. Pear? What do you have to say for yourself? You're gross. Get out of here, Pear. Oh, whoops. Well then, look, I'm just gonna give it to my dog. Hey, dog. Here you go. Don't you want it? It's a Pear. Fine. Faggot. I hate you. Stupid dog. I'm just gonna throw it over. That's pretty good. Alright. I'm out, guys. This is a great recipe, by the way. Ugh. It's pretty good. Oh, I like that. It's pretty good. Ugh. Bye, guys. Fuck you, Orange. Fucking piece of garbage. Your Pear's a dick face. I hate you. I hate you. You stupid butthole. Get out of here, butthole.